Today's top world news headlines, May 12, 2026. 1. Middle East ceasefire under threat. Former U.S. President Donald Trump rejected Iran's latest peace proposal, while the UN called for a genuine ceasefire as Israel intensified strikes in Lebanon. The Guardian +1. 2. Iran warns of strong retaliation. Iran stated it is ready to teach a lesson to any aggressor after rising tensions over failed peace talks. The Times of India +1. 3. Global oil prices surge. Oil and gas markets remain unstable as the Strait of Hormuz crisis affects international energy supplies and trade routes. The Wall Street Journal +1. 4. Pakistan pushes for peace in the Middle East. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif said Pakistan is working diplomatically for de-escalation and ceasefire efforts in the region. 5. ASEAN Summit focuses on regional security. Leaders at the ASEAN Summit discussed the growing impact of the Middle East conflict on Asia's economy and security. 6. India's diplomatic tour amid crisis. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi is beginning a five-nation diplomatic tour focused on energy cooperation and regional stability. Reuters +1. 7. Humanitarian concerns continue. International organizations warned that the conflict is worsening humanitarian conditions in Lebanon and Gaza, with rising displacement and shortages. AlJazeera.com +1.